Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix. You will need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the folder you having problem with and select properties. Select security tab. Select advanced option. Select change. Select advanced option. Select find now. In here you just need to select administrators and then select OK. Select OK. Now you need to check mark replace owner on subcontainers and objects and check mark replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object and then select apply. Select yes, select OK and select OK. Now you need to select advanced again and select add and select principal option, select advanced, select find now. In here you just need to select administrators and then select OK. Select OK. Now you just need to check mark this full control and then select OK. Select apply and OK for save changes. Select OK. Now you can delete the folder without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.